Ever wondered if there's a magical money-growing machine out there that does all the work for you? What if I told you there's an app that feels a lot like that, especially if you're new to investing or just looking for a super convenient way to grow your wealth? Today, we're diving deep into Raiz, and the burning question on everyone's mind: does Raiz actually invest for you? It's a fantastic question because, let's be honest, the idea of setting it and forgetting it is incredibly appealing. We're all busy, and the world of stocks, bonds, and diversified portfolios can feel like a labyrinth. That's where Raiz steps in, promising a simplified approach to investing. But to truly understand if it invests for you, we need to unpack what investing really means in this context and how Raiz operates. Think of it this way: when you invest, you're essentially putting your money into something with the expectation that it will generate a return over time. Traditionally, this involves researching companies, understanding market trends, and making decisions about where to allocate your funds. It can be time-consuming and, for many, quite intimidating. Now, picture Raiz. You link your everyday spending accounts, and it rounds up your spare change from purchases. That NGN 20 from your NGN 980 coffee, for example, becomes NGN 100, which then gets invested. Or you can set up recurring investments, like NGN 5000 every week. This is where the magic starts to feel real. You're not picking individual stocks. You're not agonizing over market fluctuations. You're simply contributing small amounts, often without even noticing. So, does Raiz invest for you? The short answer is yes, in a very specific and impactful way. Raiz doesn't give you a financial advisor who sits down with you to handpick stocks. Instead, it invests your money into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. When you sign up for Raiz, you choose from a selection of pre-built portfolios, each designed to match different risk appetites, from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are comprised of various ETFs, which are essentially baskets of different stocks, bonds, or other assets. This is crucial because it means your money isn't just sitting there. It's actively being put to work in the market, spread across various assets to mitigate risk. Raiz handles the entire process of buying and selling these ETFs based on the portfolio you've selected and any rebalancing that needs to occur to maintain your chosen asset allocation. You don't need to know what an ETF is, let alone how to buy one. Raiz takes care of that complex back-end work for you. Furthermore, Raiz promotes a discipline that many of us struggle with: consistent investing. By rounding up your purchases or setting up recurring investments, it automates the process of putting money aside, making saving and investing a seamless part of your financial routine. You're not just passively watching your money. Raiz is actively taking your contributions and deploying them into the market based on your chosen strategy. It's a hands-off approach that empowers you to participate in the market without needing to become a financial expert. In essence, Raiz acts as your automated investment manager for these small, consistent contributions. It removes the barriers of knowledge, time, and decision fatigue that often prevent people from investing. You set your preferences, and Raiz executes the investment strategy on your behalf, buying and managing the underlying assets within your chosen portfolio. It's not a magic bullet, but it's an incredibly powerful tool for democratizing investing and helping you build wealth incrementally without the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.